best code editors on the market. The following are the top 4 best code editors for developers. 1. Visual Studio Code. The Microsoft developed system is one of the best code editors on the market, and the best part is that it's open source, comprehensive and flexible. VS Code closely resembles an integrated development environment, IDE, thanks to its ability to handle large and complex projects. 2. Notepad++. For all the Windows and C++ fans out there, Notepad++ is the obvious choice. This popular software works only in the MS Windows environment. Sorry Mac people, is written in C++ and uses pure Win32 API and STL for lightning-quick execution speed and smaller program size. 3. Espresso. Espresso is one of the best and long-standing code editors for Mac OS that makes building, editing, and publishing sites an enjoyable experience. 4. Sublime Text. Sublime Text is widely considered to be the best code editor overall, which justifies its price if you want to get the full benefits from the extended version. Happy working! In the description below, you will find all links. Thank you for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you at the next one.